Good morning, students. Welcome to General Knowledge class. Now, I am explaining page number 42 to 47. Yes, page number 42. Hydro puzzle. There are many terms in science with the hydro as their prefix. Given below are the few statements, answer to which are terms prefixed with hydro. Read these statements carefully and write the answers in the space provided. You can take help from the help box. A compound of hydrogen and carbon. हाइड्रोजन और कार्बन के कंपाउंड्स को क्या कहते हैं? हाइड्रोकार्बन. A highly poisonous volatile liquid having an odor of bitter almonds, hydrocyanic acid. The process of generating electricity by utilization of water, hydroelectric. A gel in which liquid component is water, hydrogel. A colorless gaseous element without taste or odor, it is the lightest of the elements which occur in the water and all organic compounds, hydrogen. A chemical reaction of a substance with water usually resulting in decomposition, hydrolysis. ये सारे के सारे आपके साइंस की टर्म्स हैं. An instrument which is used for measuring the density of liquid, hydrometer. It is the term used to describe having an affinity for the water, hydrophilic. A microphone to detect sound waves in the water, that is hydrophone. The action of heated water on Earth's crust, hydrothermal. Tendency of plant roots to turn towards the moisture, hydrotropism. Accumulation of fluid in the brain, especially in the young children, which enlarges the head and can cause the mental handicap, that is hydrocephalus. Important inventions. Today's convenience came from the great invention of the past. These inventions have changed the lives. Read the given information about the sum of inventions, identify the invention, write the correct answer. It is a communication system in which information is transmitted over a wire through the series of electrical basis components include a source of direct current, a length of wire or cable, or current indicating device such as relay, buzzer, or light bulb, that is telegraph. This machine is used to harvest the grains like wheat, barley, oats, corn, flax, soya beans. Instead of using separate machine for reaping, threshing, winnowing the grain, it combines all the functions into one machine. Combined harvester. Third is, it was designed by John Jahn in 1685. It is a hardware device that takes photographs and consists of light-proof box with the photosensitive film or plate within the box. When a picture is taken, its shutters open and closes, exposing the photosensitive film with the light recording the image onto the film, that is camera. In 1942, German scientist Werner von Braun led the team to produce this vehicle, which was 14 meters long and 1.65 meters in diameter. It made its first successful test flight from the Peenemünde, Germany across the Baltic Sea. In 5 minutes, it traveled a distance 187 km and reached the maximum altitude of about 80 km. 5 to rocket. Fifth is, it was invented in 1921 by John August Larson, popularly referred as lie detector. lie detector से ही पता चल जाएगा. It measures the records several physiological such as blood pressure, pulse, respiration, skin conductivity, while the subject is asked and answer a series of questions. The principle behind the working of machine is deceptive answer will produce the physiological responses that can be differentiated from the associated with non-deceptive answers. Polygraph. The first modern coin operated machine, it was introduced in London, England in early 1880s to dispense the postcard. This machine was invented by Percival Everett in 1883, soon became the widespread feature at railway stations, offices, envelopes, postcard, note papers. Nowadays, it is commonly known as dispensed beverages and snack items. That is vending machine. Seventh is Charles G. Pravas, Alexander Wood were the first to develop this in 1853. The word is derived from the Greek word syringe, means tube. It was first used to inject the morphine as a painkiller. It has a fine needle to pierce the skin and a simple pump consisting of a plunger that fits tightly into a cylindrical tube. The plunger can be pulled and pushed along inside the tube, allowing a liquid to flow through the opening at the end of the tube, that is syringe. Eighth is, this instrument uses a beam of accelerated electrons as a source of illumination, as the wavelength of an electron can be up to 100,000 times shorter than that of visible light photons. It has a higher resolving power and can reveal the structure of smaller objects. Electron microscope. ये पेज नंबर 45 वाइटल विटामिन्स, ये आपने खुद करना है. विटामिन्स आर द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स विच आर नीडेड इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज टू सस्टेन लाइफ. वी नीड टू टेक द विटामिन्स थ्रू द food because the human body either does not produce enough of them or none at all. Read carefully the descriptions of some vitamins in the given table and complete the remaining information. आपने पेज नंबर 45 खुद करना है. मैं आपको पेज नंबर 46 और 47 करवा रही हूँ. 45 आपने खुद करना है. विटामिन ए, रेटिनोल, फैट सोलुबल, ये आपके पीछे ये दे रखे हैं. इसमें विटामिन, उसका केमिकल नेम क्या है? रेटिनोल. नेचर क्या है? फैट सोलुबल है, ये वाटर फैट सोलुबल. फंक्शंस क्या है? फॉर नॉर्मल फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द विजुअल सिस्टम, सेल ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट, हेल्दी स्किन. और विटामिन ए की कमी से क्या हो जाता है? नाइट ब्लाइंडनेस. विटामिन B3 से नियासिन वाटर सोलुबल है और इसके उससे क्या होता है? पेलेग्रा. विटामिन के, it is also fat soluble. It plays an important role in blood clotting and prevents the heart disease. और इसके वो क्या है सिम्टम्स? प्रोलॉन्ग प्रोफ्यूज्ड ब्लीडिंग. विटामिन B6, pyridoxine, it is water soluble and helps body to maintain the healthy nervous system and makes the hemoglobin that carries oxygen in red blood cells throughout the body. अब इसके सिम्टम्स क्या हैं? पुअर ग्रोथ, किडनी स्टोन, डिप्रेशन, जनरल फैटीग, डिजीनेस, नर्व प्रॉब्लम्स. विटामिन ए, tocopherol, it is fat soluble. It acts as an antioxidant to slow down the processes that damage the cells. Poor transmission of nerve impulse, muscle weakness, weakened immune system. Vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, cobalamin, or it is also water soluble. It maintains the healthy nerve cells. It helps in production of DNA and RNA. Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, it is also water soluble. It plays an important role in utilization of fats, carbohydrates in energy production, helps in manufacturing of adrenal hormones and RBC red blood cell. इससे क्या होता है? फैटीग, थक जाता है, डिप्रेशन हो जाती है और अपर रेस्पिरेटरी इन्फेक्शन. विटामिन B7, बायोटीन, water soluble. It is used for metabolism of carbohydrates and fats for healthy metabolic, nerve, digestive and cardiovascular functions. अब इसमें सिम्टम्स क्या हैं? इम्पेयर्ड ग्रोथ एंड न्यूरोलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर्स इन इन्फेंट्स, इन्फ्लेमेशन ऑफ द इंटेस्टाइन. अब इसमें से आपका विटामिन सी, सिट्रस फूड are the rich source of the vitamin C. आपने पेज नंबर 42 से आपने 47 तक कंप्लीट करनी है अपनी बुक. और बच्चों जब आप रीड करके ही आंसर दिया करो. ओके, थैंक्स, हैव अ नाइस डे.